The Ship Autopilot System is a marvel of modern maritime technology designed to enhance precision and safety during navigation. At its core, the autopilot system allows vessels to follow a predetermined course with minimal human intervention, ensuring that operations remain smooth and efficient. One of the critical components of this system is the array of alarms that monitor its functionality. These alarms serve as the ship's first line of defense, alerting the crew to any irregularities or potential failures. For instance, if the autopilot encounters a deviation from the set course, an alarm will sound, prompting immediate attention. Understanding these alarms is essential for maintaining safety at sea. Equally important is the integration of the autopilot system with other navigation instruments. This seamless connection allows for real-time data sharing, enabling the autopilot to make informed decisions based on the vessel's current position, speed, and heading. The collaboration between the autopilot and navigation systems is crucial for effective maritime navigation, ensuring that the ship remains on course even in challenging conditions. When it comes to maintaining the correct trajectory, autopilot systems employ various correction methods. These systems continuously assess the ship's position and make necessary adjustments to counteract any drift caused by wind, currents, or other external factors. This ability to self-correct is what makes autopilot systems so reliable, allowing for a smoother sailing experience. Diving deeper into the functionality of autopilot systems, we find different steering modes that cater to specific navigation needs. These modes can range from simple course holding to more complex maneuvers, such as waypoint navigation. Each mode is designed to optimize performance based on the vessel's operational requirements, providing flexibility and control to the crew. Log entries play a vital role in the operation of autopilot systems. Keeping accurate records of autopilot activity is not just a regulatory requirement, it's a safety measure. These logs help track the performance of the system, identify trends, and ensure compliance with maritime regulations. Regularly updating these logs is essential for maintaining operational integrity. Maintenance and servicing of the autopilot system cannot be overlooked. Regular checks and updates are necessary to ensure that the system operates at peak performance. Crew members must be trained to perform these maintenance tasks, which include inspecting hardware, updating software, and calibrating sensors. A well-maintained autopilot system is key to preventing unexpected failures. Speaking of regulations, the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, plays a crucial role in establishing standards for autopilot systems. These regulations ensure that all systems meet safety and performance benchmarks, providing a framework for safe maritime operations. Compliance with IMO standards is not just about following rules, it's about ensuring the safety of the crew and the vessel. In the event of an autopilot failure, having a clear set of emergency procedures is essential. Crew members must be trained to respond quickly and effectively, switching to manual control and executing emergency protocols. Understanding these procedures can mean the difference between a minor incident and a major disaster. The Ship Autopilot System is a complex yet vital component of modern maritime navigation. Its alarms, steering modes, maintenance requirements, and adherence to IMO regulations all contribute to safer and more efficient sea travel. By understanding and respecting these elements, we can ensure that our journeys across the water remain safe and successful.